Hi, this is Mike with the fourth tutorial about Podium. We're going to be doing some notes today, so here's the list of stuff. I'm going to use a MIDI keyboard, got a drum pattern set up. I'm going to create some notes, but the main thing is how to edit notes in this tutorial. So, I've got a drum track, let me just play you it. Okay, that's really boring, slow, tedious. Doesn't matter. It's just there for me to play some notes against. MIDI inputs. So I plugged my keyboard in before I ran Podium. I'm just going to check my setup. And the name of my USB keyboard adapter is ViewCon. So it's selected there, and I've got MIDI out to ViewCon there. So that's fine for me. If that's not what you have, then you might want to change it, because your USB name might be different. Also here, where it says MIDI in, if that's not set to MIDI in, you need to go down here and set it. Mine's fine. This drum pattern, it was created with 1 bar, and then I phantom copied it to up to 12. I used the zoom cursor there so to show me a whole lot of bars. Now this area with bars and lots of tracks is called the arrangement editor, and I've got it set to snap to whole bars. I find it useful to it makes it easy to copy and paste whole bars without being too accurate with the mouse. So here's my track here. Now you can mute tracks. For instance, there I'm muting drums, so I won't hear that. Of course, I do want to hear it when I'm playing against it. But you can mute all the tracks if you want to. I need to set my track to record. There. If I'm just painting in with the mouse, I don't need to do that. However, I'm going to use the keyboard, and I need to switch record on here. Okay, so that area, it'll keep recording until I stop it. Now when I hit the space bar, it's going to play the drum track, and it'll let me record on top of it. I'm going to let 2 bars elapse, then I'll play. Alternatively, I could go to the setup here at the top left, and there's some metronome options. I could get a count in with that if I wanted. So here we are. I'm going to press the space bar and then play some fairly rubbishy notes. Okay, there we go. Let's play that back. Etc. A few mistakes in there. The timing wasn't very good in the playing, but I could tidy that up. Right, I'm going to double click in this selected area here. We're going to do some editing. Okay, so here's the note editor. So if I want to delete a note, let's take that note, I can double click on it. That's gone. Let's put it back. I'll undelete it. If I want to move that, I can go into the middle of it roughly and drag it around. I can also drag it up anywhere I want. That's pretty standard in all DAWs. If I want to copy it, I can copy it, and then if I click paste, it puts it at the start of the editor, so I can now drag that copy anywhere I want. In fact, I've got 2 selected there. So if I want to copy several at once. That's called a marquee selection. Okay, so I use the Ctrl key, if you remember. So I'm going to select and make sure they're highlighted, and I'll select that one by using Ctrl click. Those two are now selected. So I can drag these around to anywhere I want. Okay, let's put them back. I can alter the volume of selected notes. Let's use this one, so I can go here and alter its volume. I can drag a note out or shorten it, so you need to be careful with the mouse. I'm going to an edge there, not in the middle, and I'm going to drag that note out. Can we play it? Okay, so you heard the long note there. I can shorten it. Play that. Okay. You'll notice when I played that, I always got the bars of drums. If you want to see, you can set the play cursor and do it in this arrangement window to start at a certain position if you don't want to hear that long introduction. Okay, I'm going to shut that down. Let's put another track on, because let's assume you don't have a MIDI keyboard. Okay, track 3. I could rename that to piano or something if I wanted. Let's get another instrument. Well, I could put another piano on there, just for fun. Drag that on. Okay, now if I want to paint notes in with a mouse, I can make a selection, double click, and I can drag that out. You need to do this. Okay, drag that out, and then I can edit that and just paint notes in there. Okay. We've seen that before with drums. I'm not going to keep that track, so we'll just delete that. Okay, that's all for now. The next tutorial we're going to look at effects. I'm going to put an effect on the piano, and we're going to put a sort of fade in and fade out on the whole thing. So see you next time. Bye now.